x dot root over x dot root x equals 3. Take square root on both sides. So x dot root over x dot root x square equals 3 square. Now we know a dot b square equals a square times b square. We will get x square times root over x dot root x whole square equals 9. X square times x root x equals 9. Here x square dot x will give us x cube. So x cube dot root x equals 9. Again take squares on both sides. So x cube dot root x square equals 9 square. X cube square times root x square equals 81. Again x cube square equals x to the power 6 and root x square is x. So x to the power 6 times x equals 81. That will give us x to the power 7 equals 81, or x equals 7th root of 81. This is the final answer.